Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Math. Today in this session, let us simplify some numerical expressions by using mass rule. Before that, first we have to know what is meant by numerical expression, what is meant by simplification. First, let us discuss about numerical expression. A combination of numbers are connected by some symbols. One or more of the symbols are called a numerical expression. Here in first one we have some numbers 60, 48, 6, 4 and 8. These numbers are connected by minus, divided by, into, plus. It is called a numerical expression. In second one also, the numbers 15, 8, 5, 2 are connected by minus, plus, into. It is called a numerical expression. Thus, we can say a combination of numbers are connected by one or more symbols is called a numerical expression. Next, and performing these operations involved in an expression, we obtain the value of this expression. Performing these operations is called the simplification of the expression. In order to get a unique value of a given expression, we have to perform the operations strictly in a definite order: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Be careful, we cannot change the order of these operations. Remember the word mass. Here D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now, by using mass rule, let us simplify this numerical expression. Here, we have 60 minus 48 divided by 6 into 4 plus 8. First, to simplify this numerical expression by using mass, here see children, minus, divided by, into, plus operations are, these symbols are there. First we have to do division in order only. D, first one D. In all these, first we have to do division. 60 minus, see here, 48 divided by 6. First solve this one. First do division. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Next, write as it is, into 4 plus 8. Into 4 plus 8. After this, here simplify division. Next, in next step, after the multiplication, let us do multiplication. Now, multiplication, here it is, multiplication symbol. 60 write as it is, minus 8 fours are 32. Next number write as it is. Here what we have done, multiplication, simplified multiplication. Next, after multiplication, addition. Addition. Here 60 and 8. We have to add the numbers. Addition, 60 plus 8. 68 minus 32. In this step, we have done addition. Simplified addition. In next step, last step, subtraction. S. 68 minus 32 is 36. In this step, we have done subtraction. Simplified subtraction. This is the answer. Now in second one, 15 minus 8 plus 5 into 2. We have this expression. Let us solve this numerical expression by using mass rule. First, see, in given expression, is there division symbol? No, division is not there. Let us go for M. Multiplication. Is there multiplication symbol? Yes. So we have to do first multiplication. Remaining numbers write as it is. 15 minus 8 plus 5 2s are 10. In this step we have done multiplication. Next A. In order A is there. It means addition. In this expression, is there addition? Yes, it is there. Now add the numbers. 15 plus 10. It is 25, which is 25. 25, next write as it is. In this step, we have done addition. Next, last step, 25 minus 8. In this step, minus is there na? Last in order, subtraction is there. Yes, we should subtract 8 from 25. 25 minus 8 is 17. In this step, we have done subtraction. Okay na? Solve like this. Simplify the numerical expression by using mass rule. I hope you understand this class. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.